Dear traders, hi, hello from Dubai. I'm a trader, technical analytical researcher. I want to make sure that you know how to trade and you know where market goes. So we'll discuss Brent oil, gold and silver in this video. If you want more instruments like that, please write a comment under the video and you can go through my other videos. In every video I make on this YouTube channel, this is like a lesson. I go through different technical rules that I use for many years, like 15, 17 years. I use same rules. I use 1 hour chart, I use 15-minute chart or daily chart and monthly chart. I look through the history. So here is something that I do on daily basis for many years. And in my videos, these are like lessons. I explain you how I realize that it's time to sell or to buy something. This is not an easy thing, not something like I'll tell you buy or sell. This is something that I go through every day, and market is not easy for me as well. Sometimes I'm like, oh my God, what's going on here? What should I do right now? And I'm like, okay, if it's not easy for me right now, what it's like for people who are trading as well and they don't have that much experience as I do. Sometimes I'm strong just to sit and not to trade, but sometimes I even start to trade 1 minute chart because there are some tricky moments that you can trade intraday. I hope I explain you all those rules and you'll be trading really good and profitable during all your life. So let's go to watch the charts. Oh, you still can see me. That's good. Okay, this is Brent oil, and I have trading community, and I told to my traders that we can buy Brent oil above 96.50 up to 103 area. Or we can try to buy Brent oil above 93.30, 92.30. So here's this range, 92.30, 93.30. We need market to show us rebound from this support, and after that we can enter market with long positions. Over here we can see the divergence. Look, new minimums going down, one minimum, next minimum is lower. But if you take a look on your RSI, here is one minimum and next minimum is higher. This is the divergence. Divergence is not something that gives you an idea to buy or to sell right now, but this awares you that here is a technical opportunity for market to go another way. And right now for RSI period 14 on 1 hour chart Brent oil, we can see the divergence. It doesn't mean that they will go up for 100%, but we can expect that. So technically, why I decided to take a look at this support, because we could see high prices going down, down, after them break and retest. So they made retest twice and they show us divergence. If you decide something like, oh, I want to sell Brent oil, look at this. This is daily chart. And on daily chart, they are going to the right side. They are not going up or down. This is the range. If you see a range on daily chart, it means that you have to take a look at 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart and find this divergence or find this range opportunity to trade. On 4-hour chart, here is also a divergence. One minimum, next minimum is almost equal. This is another option of divergence. But if you take a look at this divergence on the RSI, it goes up. Isn't it beautiful? This is a technical opportunity for us to buy Brent oil. I don't say that it will go up for 100%, but technically it looks good. We can try to enter market with long positions and your target goes up to 96.50, but above 96.50 they may go to 103 area. I think I read some forecast that Morgan Stanley today published an idea that Brent oil will cost $110 per barrel because the demand is growing. I can't support that idea about 110 area, but 103 area per barrel of Brent is a good resistance. 110 technically for me is not understandable, but I do remember 111 area also. Well, let's see. What I'm here for to remind you that here is 111.89. Under 89 area, they will fall down to 77. Under 89, they will go down to 77. And this is something that you have to keep in your mind. not to buy and not to put stop loss. You have to put stop loss because market is dangerous. It's dangerous every day, every minute. Something may happen and market will go crazy. So for Brent oil, now you know levels on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart, you know levels on daily chart and on weekly chart. I hope it will help you to earn money. And we go to the next instrument. This is gold, 1776 area for gold. Price is really high if you compare it with the middle of for example, of October. Yes, the price right now is really high. I can tell you that my idea was for price to go down to 1550 area. If, attention, if they break this support. If price goes under 1620, they will go down to 1550 and 1500. But they didn't go under 1620. So here is one more level of resistance, which is 1820, and this technical area 1776 is something that gives us an opportunity to decide. Either we sell and wait for correction down to 720 over here, 1720 over here, or they break the resistance 1776 and they go up to 1820. This is technical research from my side, and this is something that I expect market to be like, but this is not a signal, because everything that I tell you about has to be included into your trading system. It's not something that you take and you earn money, but you have to include it into your trading system. Trading system is something like entry point. You know how to put stop loss. You know the money management. You know where you put your take profit and why. So basically, I right now telling you the take profit areas. Either they stay under this area, so they'll go down if you see pressure on the top side and they're going down, or they stay above 1776. It means that they will go up to 1820. But you should follow close price of 1 hour chart. You should follow the shadows on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. If you see these shadows, it's not really beautiful to sell gold right now because you see these shadows on the bottom side. You don't sell when you see those shadows. So you need to find new extremums. For example, price goes under the previous extremum, and after that you feel safe to sell gold. But right now it doesn't look like that. Maybe market will be more clear a little bit later, in 4 hours, in 8 hours. But right now they're not showing me any signal. They're not above 1776, but they're not under this area as well. Let's wait. Maybe tomorrow we'll get a clear understanding what's going on with the market. Or if you understand that they're going to be in a range, for example, for like a day, they're going to be in a range. What do? You open RSI period 14, you open 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart, and you trade with those 70 and 30 zones. So for example, after they touch the 70s area, you sell. After they touch 30 area, you buy. But before you do that, it's really important for you to understand that this is a range right now. Because right now, over here, it is not a range. They're still going up. This is like an upgoing tendency. And if this is an upgoing tendency, you don't trade RSI. RSI is only to trade in a range. Let's go to silver. Right now, price for silver is 21.90. It's under 22 area. Let's take a look on weekly chart. I told you that on weekly chart and daily chart, 22 area is important for us. It's not a signal for us to sell from here or to buy higher from this area, but this is a technical resistance. It was a support. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, it was a support, and right now this is a resistance. And if they give us rebound from 22 area, they may go down to 13.60. This is not a forecast. Attention, because there are many traders who are buying silver right now, and they expect like 26 area. I wouldn't mind price to go that high if they stay above 22 on daily chart, on 4 hour chart. So it means that they have power to go higher. Right now, I can't say for 100% that it will happen because 22 area is a technical resistance. Okay, let's take a look on 1 hour chart. I don't see any signals to sell right now, but what I can tell you that here is a resistance 22.46. 22.46, this is something that we may see really soon for the silver. If you take a look in 4 hour chart, oh, I love this. It looks like they show us 22 area as a really good resistance. It looks like that actually, because they gave us rebound once. They are giving us rebound for many 4 hour candles. If it is like that, we will see new extremums. So we open 15-minute chart. This is one extremum and they didn't go through. Oh my God, so bad. If they go through this extremum, we can expect price to go lower. Until they didn't break this extremum, we are waiting 22.46, okay? I hope it will help you to earn money. Stay with me, and of course, subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my Telegram channel, press thumbs up. I love you guys. Bye bye. I wish you profits.